Hello and welcome to our video comparing two popular NETGEAR switches. In this video, we'll be comparing the NETGEAR 5-port switch with the NETGEAR 8-port PoE Gigabit Ethernet Plus switch. If you're in the market for a new switch and can't decide between the two, you've come to the right place. Don't forget to like this video, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more tech reviews like this one. The NETGEAR 5-port switch is priced at $32, while the NETGEAR 8-port PoE Gigabit Ethernet Plus switch is priced at $59. If price is a deciding factor for you, the 5-port switch offers a more affordable solution. When it comes to ports, the NETGEAR 8-port PoE Gigabit Ethernet Plus switch offers 8 Gigabit Ethernet ports and 8 PoE Plus ports with a 62W total power budget. On the other hand, the NETGEAR 5-port switch has 5 Gigabit Ethernet ports. If you need more ports with PoE capabilities, the 8-port switch is the way to go. The NETGEAR 8-port PoE Gigabit Ethernet Plus switch comes with Plus software, which offers basic managed capabilities to configure, secure, and monitor your network. The NETGEAR 5-port switch, on the other hand, has a simple plug-and-play setup with no software to install or configuration needed. If you need advanced management features, the 8-port switch is the better choice. The NETGEAR 5-port switch comes with a lifetime limited hardware warranty, next business day replacement, and 24/7 chat with a NETGEAR expert. The NETGEAR 8-port PoE Gigabit Ethernet Plus switch, on the other hand, comes with an industry-leading 3-year limited hardware warranty. If warranty is important to you, the 5-port switch offers a better package of warranty and support. Both switches have an energy-efficient design compliant with IEEE 800 2.3 but the NETGEAR 5-port switch also has silent operation, which makes it ideal for noise-sensitive environments. If noise is a concern, the 5-port switch is the better choice. That's it for our comparison video of the NETGEAR 5-port switch and the NETGEAR 8-port PoE Gigabit Ethernet Plus switch. We hope this helped you make an informed decision on which switch to choose. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more tech reviews.